Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to silent unknown calls on WhatsApp. Friends, due to any reason if you want to silent unknown calls on WhatsApp, then you need to open WhatsApp app. Now here in your WhatsApp app, you need to press on the three dots. Now press on settings. In settings, press on privacy. Now here scroll it little down and you will find option to silent unknown callers. Press on it. Now here you need to enable it. Now friends, you have successfully enabled silent unknown callers on WhatsApp. Now if any person who is not saved in your contact list calls you on WhatsApp, then his call will automatically become silent. So friends, like this you can very easily activate silent unknown callers on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.